Hello and welcome to the Evolved HR. Subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Did you know that over 80% of the UAE's workforce is made up of expatriates? This diverse talent pool offers a unique recruitment landscape, with candidates from every corner of the globe bringing varied expectations and qualifications. In the UAE, recruitment strategies differ significantly between the public and private sectors. Government roles often prioritize UAE nationals, while private companies adopt a more global approach, reflecting the nation's economic vision. The UAE's focus on transitioning to a knowledge-based economy means rapid growth in sectors like technology and healthcare. Tailoring your recruitment strategies to these booming industries is crucial for success. The job market in the UAE is highly transient. Many professionals come for career growth or financial goals, leading to high turnover and a constantly shifting candidate pool. Navigating the UAE's legal landscape is essential for HR professionals. Employment visas and work permits are not just formalities. They are the foundation of legal employment in the country. We already made a video about the legal understanding as an HR professional in the UAE. The UAE's labour laws are progressive, emphasising equal pay and defined probation periods. Understanding these laws ensures compliance and fosters a fair workplace. We have a video about these ones as well. The Emiratisation requirements apply based on employee count and industry. Companies with 50 or more employees must increase Emiratisation by 2% annually for skilled jobs. Companies with 20 to 49 employees are now also included if they operate in specific sectors. These include information and communications, finance and insurance, real estate, professional and technical services, education, healthcare, arts, mining, manufacturing, construction, retail, transport, hospitality. Emiratisation is a national initiative aimed at increasing UAE nationals in the workforce. HR professionals must develop strategies to attract and retain Emirati talent, as this is crucial for the recruitment process. Every company does not come under Emiratisation. You can verify your company's registration and activity through these platforms. UAE National Economic Register. Check your business license and registered activities. MOHRE Inquiry Services offers tools to check company compliance and Emiratisation status. Crafting job descriptions for the UAE market requires specificity. Highlight language skills and regional experience, and clarify whether the role is based on the mainland or in a free zone. Online portals, recruitment agencies, and referrals are key to sourcing candidates. Each has its strengths, and using them effectively can widen your talent pool. BAT.com, LinkedIn, Indeed, and Gulf Talent are the dominant platforms. Niche platforms like Lamoon are also effective. Headhunting is crucial for specialized roles. Understanding the local culture and adapting your screening techniques can help identify the best fit for your organization. In the UAE, a job offer is more than just a salary. Housing and transportation allowances, health insurance, and education benefits are integral parts of the total rewards package. Transparency in offer letters is vital. Clearly breaking down each component of the package ensures candidates understand the full value of what they're being offered. Respect for hierarchy and titles is crucial in the UAE. Using professional titles until invited to use first names shows cultural awareness and respect. During Ramadan, work rhythms change significantly. Understanding these cultural nuances can help you adapt your recruitment processes accordingly. Digital transformation is reshaping recruitment in the UAE. AI-powered screening and virtual onboarding are becoming the norm, streamlining processes and enhancing efficiency. Employer branding is crucial in a competitive market. Showcasing your company's culture and career development opportunities can attract top talent. As an HR professional in the UAE, you are a cultural ambassador, bridging global and local environments. Your role is pivotal in driving organizational growth. Commit to continuous learning and cultural empathy. By mastering the nuances of UAE recruitment, you become a valuable asset to any organization. We've covered the unique aspects of UAE recruitment, from legal compliance to cultural intelligence. Apply these insights in your HR roles and continue learning to thrive in this dynamic market. Thank you for staying with us. Follow us for more.